Okay, let's take a moment and solve the STAAR question of the day. Ms. Olson has 1/8 acre of land divided into 6 equal parts. What is the size of each part? Well, in our quest to solve this, we could either add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Which one did you choose? Well, this word is a big clue, right? That tells us we're going to do that. So our question is, are we going to divide the 6 equal parts, or are we going to divide the 1/8 acre? Because that tells us what we're going to put first. We're going to do something divided by something. And remember, whatever goes here is what's going to be divided. Well, we know the land is getting divided up, so we're going to put the 1/8 first. And it's getting divided up into 6 groups. Okay, so we are dividing fractions. And when we are dividing fractions, we keep the dividend. So we're going to rewrite 1/8 just as we see it. We multiply, which means I'm going to change my division symbol to a multiplication symbol. Divide by the reciprocal. And remember, the reciprocal is just my fraction flipped. Well, my 6 isn't a fraction yet, so I can put a 1 underneath to make it a fraction and then flip it. So the 6 was on the bottom, now it's on the top. I'm sorry, the 1 was on the bottom, now it's on the top. The 6 was on the top, now it's on the bottom. Let's just multiply across. 1 times 1 is 1. 8 times 6 is 48. So our answer is D, 1/48 acre.